Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in, and today we have another product for you that we're going to unbox. This is the Zhiyun Crane 2. Zhiyun, a lot of pronunciations out there. Basically, it's the Crane 2. Now, what is this product? This is essentially a gimbal for your mirrorless camera or your lightweight DSLR. The Crane 2 can actually handle up to 3.2 kilograms of total payload. So let's just quickly unbox this thing and see what's inside and what you get for your hard-earned money. Yep. So question, why would you need something like this? We actually bought a bunch of new equipment for our video production team, and a crane is something that stood out for us. We absolutely needed to have one because there's a range of things that we want to achieve with the way we shoot videos, and it just wasn't possible with the current equipment. And of course, with the crane, what you also get is versatility. So we'll talk about why we chose the crane later. Let's just quickly first unbox this product. So looks like the crane itself comes in a suitcase of sorts. It's got this nice case that we get along with the Crane 2, of course, and inside the box there's also some batteries. Let's just quickly pull everything out. Okay, so let's get rid of that. Now in the box you have the batteries. These are rechargeable batteries for the Crane 2, and alongside that there's also a strap, and that's pretty much all you get. I'm assuming everything else is in here. So what do you expect with a gimbal? You have the stabilizer itself, then there should be a bunch of accessories, and now here we get a first look at what's inside the box of the Zhiyun Crane 2. So this is what you get inside the case of the Zhiyun Crane 2. This of course is the stabilizer itself right here in the middle. It's actually not that heavy despite being made of solid aluminum. It's pretty lightweight. Besides that, you also get this little mini tripod. Now this is actually to help you balance the gimbal when you have it set up with your camera and with your lenses. Then additionally, we also have this little box of cables. Now, you will need this assortment of cables for various things like controlling the camera functions, maybe pulling focus, etc., depending on the accessories you buy, and also depending on the camera you use. Now, the great thing about this company is that they've actually bundled everything in one box. So you've got all sorts of cables here. You of course have a battery charger for the batteries that come in the box. Now the really cool thing is that because these are removable batteries, you can take them out and carry them on person with you when you're in flight. So that's a safety thing, that's great. Also, if they actually go bad, you can just replace them if you ever want to. Oh, surprise, there's another set of batteries in here. Maybe you guys caught that from the top camera, but I didn't. So there's a set of spare batteries, and then in this little box in here, we have this contraption which basically is designed to help you follow focus. Now, when you have your camera mounted on the crane over here, this attachment goes on one of these rails and will help you pull focus or move your focus around if your camera is set to manual focus, and this is the dial that helps you do that. So this is the little contraption for that, and let's just put that back in there. Is that how it goes? Whoop. Oh, fumbling an unboxing video is not cool. Alright, so that's that. And then there's another compartment underneath which has the belt. This is the belt that will actually move the focus around, and this wraps around your camera lens. And then there's a cable and a screwdriver to basically help you manage all of this, to be able to put it together. So that's a quick look as to what's inside the box of the Zhiyun Crane 2 when you buy this little kit, and it's actually pretty straightforward. It's very simple, it's very minimal. What's really nice though is this little strap here. Think of it like a badminton racket's grip. This is a little grip tape that you can actually attach to the crane, so you have a better hold on this thing because it is otherwise a smooth aluminum body. So thank you guys for watching this video, and in case you liked it, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. And of course, if you have any questions about the Crane 2, we're happy to help you understand this product and answer whatever questions you may have. So thank you guys for watching this video.